Hi everybody, a very good evening. This is me, Jasleen Kapani. भाई awards और rewards तो काफ़ी हो गए, yeah. Some people are heavily into giving awards. Some people are majorly into receiving awards or even buying awards in today's dates and stuff. But for those who are generally doing their work and receiving those, congratulations on the good work that you're doing and stuff. This message is nothing to do with work or interior solutions or decor or branding or design, architecture or communication or PR or nothing to do with the media or anything to enhance the beauty of your spaces like homes and offices and stuff. It's actually about awarding, not an award that you receive on the stage or anything. It's about awarding yourself. So, do you do this? If you do not do it, try doing this yourself. Award yourself for every workout that you do. Award yourself for every major accomplishment or a goal that you achieve or a recovery you have. Maybe it's like for me, I buy t-shirts or I buy shorts or I gift myself a gym bag or something or the other, or probably do something else in a gym or play an extra game of golf. I buy a coffee or I buy myself a meal or something. So keeping it to the gym and the exercise and stuff, always a good idea to award and reward yourself if you've been good, if you've been consistent, and you do not have a very encouraging, gym instructor or a set of people at the gym and stuff, or your home or wherever you work out, do this to yourself, okay? And it really, really works. So like in my case, over the years, I've been in working out since, I think in a gym since the year 2007, 2008. Before that, I used to play sports in college. I was in basketball, badminton, kho-kho, any sport you named it. I used to play TT. I tried my luck at golf, and I'm a golfer as well. And, lots of other things which I don't want to share personally. I'm a drummer as well. But when it comes to rewarding and awarding, every time I do something nice for myself or which is an accomplishment, I award myself or I reward myself, okay? So, life is not just about work, life is not just about entrepreneurship, life is not just about being in the office or your career or your professions. There's so much more. There are students, there are, homemakers, there are young girls, boys, there's youth. There are people who are not in a corporate job, but they're doing something or the other, probably whatever, not so conventional or not so professional or corporate or these kind of roles and stuff. तो याद रखिए, अवार्ड एंड रिवॉर्ड सिर्फ ऑफिस में नहीं, सिर्फ कंट्री में नहीं, सिर्फ ऑन्टरप्रेन्योरशिप में नहीं, स्टार्टअप में नहीं. अच्छा काम तो करते रहना चाहिए, मगर अपने आप को अवार्ड ज़रूर करना चाहिए और रिवॉर्ड ज़रूर करना चाहिए. हिंदी में अगर आप अच्छा वर्कआउट करते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं और कोई भी गोल अचीव करते हैं या कोई भी एक्सरसाइज एक्स्ट्रा करते हैं, अपने आप को ज़रूर अवार्ड दीजिए या रिवॉर्ड दीजिए शाबाशी की तरह. ओके, सो टी शर्ट खरीदिए, किट्स खरीदिए, जिम इक्विपमेंट खरीद सकते हैं आप, या फिर आप एक पेयर ऑफ शॉर्ट्स और ट्रैक पैंट्स खरीदिए, कुछ भी कीजिए, डिओड्रेंट लीजिए, कुछ भी कीजिए, मगर अपने आप को ज़रूर रिवॉर्ड कीजिए और आप देखेंगे कि आपको कितना अच्छा लगेगा कि आप इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, बेहतरीन होते जा रहे हैं और आपकी एनर्जी भी बेटर हो रही है और आप फील गुड भी कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आप टाइम के साथ अपना जिम वेयर वगैरह भी चेंज कर रहे हैं. In English, you realize that you are improving, you're bettering, you're getting smarter, sharper, your appearance is enhanced, your wardrobe is changing, and you're doing away with the old clothes and stuff like that, because new clothes also bring new energy and a new, josh or a determination or a willpower and stuff, okay? So try doing this. jkapani@gmail.com, jastinkapani.im@gmail.com, jastinkapanioffice@gmail.com. I'm in my gym right now. I had half a heart to go and play golf, but looking at the weather outside and stuff, maybe a little later or something. But for now, some of my favorite things is this. I made up my mind that I'm going to be in a gym. So do that to yourself before you plan your day, previously or in the morning. Set that intention, set that goal, and go for it. And it really works. And nothing should come in your way. Parents try and give you some other tasks, grandparents give you some other tasks. You have to do those as well. But the point is how to kind of organize it and include self work and self time and exercising, which is the most important to take you forward during the day and the weekend stuff. So if you like my Sharon stuff, do follow me on Instagram and on YouTube, and for Facebook, I think most people do follow me. And once again, thank you so much for the unexpected 600 or so likes on one video. I was not even marketing it, I'm just generally sharing it. So thank you so much. And remember, this is not about me, this is about good health and feeling great. Award and reward yourself. Bye bye. Cheers. Have fun and have a blast. Hakuna Matata. Bye bye.